How to set up a climbing wall. This video primarily tells us how to set up the Connect to Point Zero climbing wall. The projector needs to be aimed at the wall. The Connect to Point Zero camera also needs to be aimed at the wall. Adjust the installation distance of Connect to Point Zero to capture the entire projected image. Next step. We attach calibration markers to the four corners of the projected image for subsequent calibration. After opening the game, pressing this key allows us to configure and select gains. Click on Image Settings to enter the calibration interface. We will place four arrow squares respectively at the four corners of the screen captured by Connect to Point Zero. That is, the positions where the calibration markers were placed just now. Finally, after pressing this key on the keyboard to save, we can experience the game. Press the Page Up and Page Down keys on the keyboard to manually switch between games.